Imagine standing on the edge of a digital gold mine where the next generation of billionaires is being minted every single hour. This is not the chaotic crypto market of 5 years ago. This is the 2026 bull run, a period of massive institutional growth and regulated prosperity. While the average investor is still staring at the Bitcoin price chart, the real wealth is being created in the shadows of the altcoin market. In 2026, hidden gems in the decentralized finance sector and the artificial intelligence blockchain niche are preparing for a vertical breakout that could change your life. The global financial system is finally merging with the digital asset world, and those who know where to look are about to reap the rewards of the greatest wealth transfer in history. If you stay until the end of this video, we will reveal the exact sectors and specific hidden altcoins that the elite whales are quietly accumulating right now. Prepare for a journey into the heart of the modern blockchain economy as we decode the roadmap to massive gains in the 2026 bull cycle. The opportunity is here, the capital is flowing, and the countdown to the next peak has officially begun. The foundation of this 2026 rally is built on the massive success of the spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds and the entry of global banking giants into the crypto space. In the previous cycles, the market was driven by retail hype and social media influencers, but today it is driven by corporate treasury strategies and sovereign wealth funds. Institutional investors are no longer asking if they should buy digital assets. They're asking how much of their portfolio should be allocated to the emerging altcoin infrastructure. This shift has created a massive wave of liquidity that is flowing from large cap assets like Ethereum and Solana into the high growth middle cap coins. These hidden altcoins are the essential plumbing of the new internet, providing the decentralized data feeds and cross-chain interoperability that the world now depends on. When a major financial institution settles a transaction on a public blockchain, they're using the utility tokens of these hidden networks to pay for the gas and security. This creates a sustainable demand for these assets that is far more powerful than simple speculation or viral memes. By identifying these utility-driven projects before they hit the major news headlines, you are positioning yourself at the very front of the profit line. One of the most explosive sectors in the 2026 bull run is the fusion of artificial intelligence and decentralized compute networks. In 2026, the global demand for processing power is at an all-time high, and centralized data centers simply cannot keep up with the hunger of modern AI models. Hidden altcoins in the decentralized physical infrastructure sector are allowing anyone to rent out their spare computer power to a global network of researchers and developers. These projects act like an Airbnb for computer chips, creating a massive distributed supercomputer that is owned by the community rather than a single tech giant. When you hold the tokens of these networks, you are essentially owning a piece of the infrastructure that powers the next generation of artificial intelligence. Investors are flocking to these coins because they offer a real-world solution to a massive technological bottleneck. As the AI revolution continues to accelerate, the value of these decentralized compute tokens is expected to reach staggering new heights. Keep a close eye on projects that focus on decentralized graphics processing units and autonomous AI agents that can transact on the blockchain without human intervention. Another massive catalyst for hidden altcoin gains in 2026 is the tokenization of real-world assets on public ledgers. The elite world of private equity, luxury real estate, and high-end art is no longer reserved for the top 1% of the population. Blockchain technology is now breaking down these multi-million-dollar assets into tiny digital fractions that can be bought and sold by anyone with a smartphone. A hidden altcoin that provides the legal framework and technical security for this tokenization process is like a gatekeeper to a $100 trillion market. Every time a luxury apartment in New York or a rare painting in Paris is traded on the blockchain, the network tokens are used to verify the transfer of ownership. This creates a constant stream of fees and rewards for the token holders, turning the coin into a yield-generating asset. Major global banks are already launching their own private subnets on top of these public networks, signaling a massive vote of confidence in the technology. The projects that win the race to become the industry standard for tokenized assets will likely see their valuations explode as traditional finance migrates to the chain. We must also look at the massive upgrades happening in the world of Layer 1 blockchains and high-speed settlement networks. In 2026, the focus has shifted from simple transaction speed to extreme reliability and institutional-grade security. While Solana and Ethereum continue to dominate the headlines, a new wave of parallel execution blockchains is quietly gaining massive developer adoption. These hidden altcoins use a new type of architecture that allows thousands of transactions to happen at the exact same time without slowing down the network. This makes them the perfect home for high-frequency trading platforms and massive multiplayer online games that require instant feedback. As these ecosystems grow, the demand for the native gas token increases, creating a natural upward pressure on the price. Smart money is moving into these networks because they represent the next logical step in the evolution of blockchain scalability. By the time the general public realizes how fast and cheap these new networks are, the early investors will already be sitting on massive, unrealized gains. In 2026, the decentralized finance sector has also evolved into a more mature and regulated environment, known as DeFi 2.0. The risky and experimental protocols of the past have been replaced by robust money markets that offer transparent yields and insure deposits. Hidden altcoins that power these decentralized lending platforms are seeing massive inflows from retail investors who are tired of low interest rates at traditional banks. These protocols allow you to lend out your stable coins to a global pool of borrowers and earn a share of the interest generated by the platform. The tokens of these DeFi protocols often act as a governance tool, giving the holders the right to vote on the future direction of the project and earn a portion of the protocol revenue. As the total value locked in these platforms reaches new record highs, the underlying tokens become increasingly scarce and valuable. This is the hidden engine of the crypto economy, where capital is recycled and put to work to generate even more wealth for the participants. The final piece of the puzzle in the 2026 bull run is the return of the cultural economy and the evolution of digital ownership. While the initial NFT craze of a few years ago was focused on profile pictures and digital art, the 2026 version is focused on utility and identity. Hidden altcoins in the decentralized identity sector are allowing users to own their own data and move their digital reputation across different social media platforms. When you use a decentralized social network, you are no longer the product being sold to advertisers. You're a participant who earns rewards for contributing value to the community. These social tokens and identity protocols are the backbone of the new creator economy, where the value flows directly from the fan to the artist. As billions of people realize the importance of data privacy and digital sovereignty, these niche tokens will become some of the most sought-after assets in the market. The winners in this category will be the projects that make the blockchain experience invisible and seamless for the average non-technical user. The 2026 crypto bull run is a unique moment in history where the stars have aligned for both technological and financial growth. The combination of institutional capital, regulatory clarity, and revolutionary AI technology has created a perfect storm for altcoin investors. While Bitcoin will always be the digital gold of the ecosystem, the massive life-changing gains are found in the specialized utility tokens of the future. Success in this market requires a sharp eye for fundamentals and the patience to hold through the inevitable periods of volatility. We are witnessing the birth of a new global financial system, and those who participate early will be the ones who define the future of wealth. The window of opportunity for these hidden gems is narrowing as the whales continue to fill their bags in silence. Make sure to stay informed, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose in this high-reward environment. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 crypto market, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more exclusive financial documentaries. Comment bull run below if you believe the 2026 cycle is going to be the biggest one yet. This is EduFacts TV, and we will continue to bring you the untold stories of the global digital economy.